Vincristine. Vincristine is a powerful drug that has saved countless lives, but it comes with its own set of challenges. In this video, I'll be explore what Vincristine is, how it works, and its role in cancer treatment. Vincristine is a chemotherapy drug used to treat various types of cancer, derived from the Madagascar periwinkle plant. This drug plays a key role in fighting cancers like leukemia, lymphoma, brain tumor, and even lung cancer. But how it Vincristine works? It targets rapidly dividing the cancer cells by interrupting the formation of microtubules, which are crucial for cell divisions. Without proper cell divisions, cancer cells can't grow and spread. Vincristine is usually administered through an IV injection. It is often used in combination with other chemotherapy drug as part of a large treatment plan. While vincristine is effective in fighting cancer, it can also cause several side effects. The most common includes hair loss, constipation, muscle weakness. One major concern is neurotoxicity, which can lead to numbness or tightening the hand and feet. Vincristine is especially important in pediatric oncology. It has been a lifesaver in treating childhood cancer like acute lymphoblastic leukemia and neuroblastoma. Though vincristine has side effects, its contribution to cancer treatment cannot be overstated. It is a vital tool in modern medicine fight against cancer, providing hope to patients young and old. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more medical insights. Thank you.